Dear students, the next question from 9th standard motion chapter. This question asking from the 2016 CBSE. See the question. Name a device that measure the distance traveled by the automobiles. Okay, right. Then a body travels a distance of 15 meter from A to B, and then moves a distance of 20 meter at right angle to AB. So calculate the total distance traveled and the displacement. Okay. So please listen. In this question, first they are asking the name a device that measure the distance traveled by automobiles. So in the automobile, okay, that is in the, say for example in the bike. So if you observe that, um, in that front view, okay, is in the front view, okay. So very well the bike do, okay. Here some readings over there. It is that one needle is there. It shows the speed 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 10, 15, up to 80 kilometers something. So this is so the speed. This is speedometer. But above the speedometer, if you observe that some digit numbers are there, it will be rolling. Okay, so that is known as odometer. Okay, so the name and device that measure the distance traveled by the automobiles. So this one that is odometer. Okay, so that is the answer. But this needle that is speedometer. Okay, right. Next, a body travels a distance of 15 meter from A to B. Okay, 15 meter goal. Okay, adukapram then moves a distance of 20 meter right angle to the AB. First AB, first you simplify as a diagram. First AB. Okay, so this is AB. So initial position A, final position B here. Okay, so that AB. Okay, my body travel from this object or body or something to travel from A to B. So that the distance is given 15 meter. After that, then moves a distance of 20 meter the right angles to AB. Right angles to AB, it should be the perpendicular. Okay, so it's a 15, it is 20. Okay, so we put the name that is C. So this is it's a 20 meter. Okay, now they are asking the distance traveled and the displacement. So distance and displacement asking. So distance means that is actual path covered by the object. So the distance, that distance, okay, actual path was first AB is traveled, then after that BC is traveled. Okay, so I can write AB is 15 meter plus BC is 20 meter. So the distance covered by the object is totally 35 meter. So first question is over. Okay. Then second one, see that displacement. So very well displacement. So displacement means shortest distance between initial and the 2 point, or otherwise difference between initial and final point of the position of the object. So initial position A, final position C. So this is only okay. So you want to calculate the AC value. AC only here. It is displacement. So how we can find by using the Pythagoras theorem? So that is known as AC square. That means like correct only AC square is equal to that is AB square plus then BC square. Okay. So now I want AC square. So AC square is a net displacement, or otherwise simply AC. Okay, anything. Okay. So now that AC square is equal to AB square. AB value are 15. So 15 square plus BC square. BC value are 20. So 20 square. So 15 square 225 Then 20 squared, you know, that is 400. So 400 plus 225, that is 625. 625. So AC squared is equal to AC squared is equal to 625. So therefore I can write AC is equal to the whole root of 625. So 625 root ever 25 into 25. So it is, you know, 25 meter. So that displacement is 25 meter. Then the distance covered is 35.